So we're gonna be doing a repairability test today on this horizon shingle. Here, this is the one that is damaged along with most of this slope. On this roof, we have 117 spots that are damaged. As you can see, we got a crease here, major crease, and we also got some matting transfer, some pretty bad matting transfer. Won't allow this shingle to seal back. That also is a major leak hazard right there. All right, so let's see, we'll get going. All right, so the shingle starts right here. First shingle lifted up, major matting transfer. See that right there? That is a major leaking hazard. Stuck to the shingle below, won't allow it to seal, and we'll get leaks. So first shingle, we've already failed. 1, 2, 3, continue to roll on. We gotta break the seal of this shingle and this shingle to remove this one. All right, third shingle. We got a matting transfer again. So now it's failed for the second time. Lifted. All right, matting transfer again. Third fail on the shingles. All right, come here. Matting transfer. 1, 2, right there. Won't allow it to seal, it'll leak. Failed again. This one also failed. A little one here, zoom in on, and a big one here. This one is already broke all the way through, so that is going to leak. Alrighty, now that we got these done, we gotta get the nails out of the shingle. Matting transfer again, right there. This one's got some major matting. All right, major matting transfer again. That's actually ripped all the way through. That is a big problem right there. Right, now we can get these nails out. First layer of nails out. Up here and pull these out. Should have all the nails out. This is the shingle we were repairing because of the damage. We're gonna pull it out. So for the sake of this video, because I don't have the shingle, because you cannot get the shingle anymore, we're just gonna put it back in and see what the rest of the shingles do around it, as if we were going to repair it, even though we can't get the shingle. Again, you can probably see the matting transfer better now on the light. So that's major right there. 2, 3, and that's just on this bottom row. There's even more when you go up. Put the shingle back on. Alright, should be all of them. See you. Now again, this is the shingle that we're taking out right here. Alright. See what the shingle's done. So here we got a shingle about to break on the corner. Same with this one. This one's really loose. That one's really loose. That one's really loose. Loose. And then we'll go back through. So this shingle has definitely failed. Almost every tab has actually failed, individual tab. So we'll start with this one first. We got 1 matting transfer, 2, 3, got 4 here. Big one, 5 right there. 6, another big one, 7. That actually is already whole. 8, 9, those are 2 decent size. And I believe that is all of them. So we have a couple crease shingles, about 4 of them. And we also have 9 matting transfer spots, major big spots, major spots for leak. This shows that this shingle is not repairable. Thank you.